Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix cannot update app on Google Play Store. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error cannot update apps on your Google Play Store, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to tap on the settings and scroll down. You can see here app management, just tap on this. In this you can see here app list, just tap on this. Here you need to find Play Store. You can see here Google Play Store, just tap on this. You can see here storage usage, just tap on this. Click on clear gacha and click on clear data. Guys, after clicking OK, Google Play Store data will be cleared and your Google ID will be logged out, and you have to log in your Google ID after this. Then go back, then search here Google Play Services. You can see here Google Play Services, just tap on this. You can see here storage usage, just tap on this. Click on clear gacha and click on clear data. In last you can see clear all data, just tap on this, just tap on OK. After doing this, then go back. You need to open your Play Store. After opening the Play Store, it will ask your Google ID. You have to log in with your Google ID. After that, just tap on this profile icon. In this you can see here setting option, just tap on this. You can see here second option network and preferences, just tap on this. You can see here under network preference app download preference, just tap on this. Guys, in this you have to select over any network, just tap on this and tap on the done. You can see here second option auto update apps, just tap on this and you have to select the same over any network, just tap on the done. After that, then go back. Guys, after doing the settings, just try and update your apps. After that, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix cannot update apps on your Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.